继续来看中共的军机搅了台湾的情况是愈来愈严重。美国众议院的军事委员会召开听证会，有真侪议员要求美国政府应该赶紧甲交武器给台湾哦。美国国防部的官员嘛指出讲，中国若是要封锁台湾，最后有可能会失败；若是直接拍台湾哦，想要正赢嘛是真困难。
最近中国一直扰乱台湾，真正阁创下新高的纪录。国防部20公布侦查到15架中国军机、6架中国军舰伫台海附近的活动。美国众议院军事委员会这个时阵召开听证会，探讨安怎强化甲台湾的军事合作。
We need to grow our Navy to improve our capabilities in space and cyberspace. We also need to reinforce capabilities of our allies in the region. If a Chinese invasion cannot be deterred, it will be catastrophic for Taiwan and the United States.
几个议员要求美国爱赶紧把军事项目送来台湾，才会当协助台湾的自卫能力。面对中国可能采取封锁行动，美国国防部印太事务助理部长瑞特纳指出，封锁会对经济造成真严重的冲击，这会强化国际对抗北京的决心。因这个判断是真大错误。
PLA blockade, so it would likely not succeed, and it would be a huge risk of escalation for the PRC, where it would likely have to consider whether or not it was willing to ultimately start attacking commercial maritime vessels.
Very few beaches where you could land craft on, mountainous terrain, and a population that we believe that would be willing to fight. So there is absolutely nothing easy about a PLA invasion of Taiwan.
联合参谋部校长麦吉嘛认为讲，封锁是无啥可能的选项。中国若要对台湾发动正面甲两侧入侵嘛真困难。除了地形的条件以外，伊相信台湾人民愿意甲伊拼到底，所以入侵台湾绝对无遐尔简单。记者综合报道。